Imagine a world where the air is too thick to breathe, where the oceans no longer teem with life, where our forests stand silent, devoid of their vibrant inhabitants. Can you see it? It's not a dystopian fantasy, but a potential future shaped by the relentless march of global warming. Greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, causing global temperatures to rise. This is no minor fluctuation in the weather. Over the past 100 years, our planet has heated up by nearly 1 degree Celsius, a change that may seem insignificant, but its impacts are far from it. Consider the polar ice caps, once vast and unending, now melting at an alarming rate. Every minute we lose an area of sea ice large enough to cover 20 football fields. This rapid melting leads to rising sea levels, threatening to submerge coastal cities and create millions of climate refugees. Then there are the wildfires, growing more frequent and ferocious with each passing year. In the past decade alone, these fires have doubled in occurrence, resulting in loss of life, property, and precious ecosystems. And let's not forget about the extreme weather events, the hurricanes, the droughts, the heat waves. These are not anomalies, but the new normal in a world gripped by climate change. But amid these grim realities, hope persists. Humankind has the capacity to alter the course of this impending catastrophe. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions, embracing renewable energy, and adopting sustainable practices, we can stem the tide of global warming. Yet the time to act is now. Every moment of inaction pushes us closer to a point of no return. Our choices, our actions, and our resolve today will shape the world of tomorrow. The current state of the world is a wake-up call. A call to recognize the urgency of the climate crisis. It's a call not just for awareness, but for action. For the sake of our planet and future generations, we must rise to this challenge. Remember, there's no planet B. In conclusion, global warming is not a distant threat, but a present crisis. Its impacts are real, wide-ranging, and devastating. Yet, hope remains. Through collective action, sustainable practices, and a commitment to change, we can combat this global threat. But we must act now. The clock is ticking and the time for action is now, because in the end, we are not just inhabitants of this planet, we are its guardians.